Today we're testing out an affordable but powerful little flashlight. This is the W1 EDC flashlight from Thrunite. It comes with a manual, a micro USB charging cable, spare O-rings and rubber covers, the W1 flashlight, as well as a 650 mAh battery. Like its bigger brother, the T1S, the W1 also has a dual direction pocket clip and magnetic tail clip, making it perfect for hands-free work. I really put the magnet to the test and used it all around our barn, and it held strong. I even clipped it to things that normal magnets would fall from, but it held the weight of the flashlight and never fell. I was honestly pretty surprised. So now it's time to charge it up and see how bright this little guy is. Flip up the rubber cover to reveal the micro USB charge port. Plug it in, a light turns on letting you know when it's fully charged. So now that we're all charged up, we're ready to hit the trails and test out the new flashlight. I walked around the farm and tested the flashlight through the hiking trails. I could see everything. I just love being able to quickly cycle through the settings, making it dull in closed areas and bright in open areas. I couldn't see myself needing anything brighter for standard use. Between the magnetic tail clip, the pocket clip, and how bright this thing is, you wouldn't think it's a budget-friendly flashlight. Now, since I do have the T1S, I decided to compare it to the W1, starting with the magnetic tail cap. And as you can see, they're equally as strong. They have a similar build and feel about the same in your hands. Now on to a brightness test. The W1 produces a focused beam of light reaching a max of 693 lumens, and it can shine 166 meters. As far as distance goes, this thing can really throw some light. It's casting light on the trees in the background and it covers a pretty big area. The T1S, on the other hand, can shine up to 184 meters, so not much further, but it does have a max of 1212 lumens, making it a decent bit brighter. Both these flashlights are set to the max, and you can see the T1S looks like more of a spotlight, whereas the W1 shines more direct. The T1S has a much larger coverage area, but given the price point of the W1, it might not be that big of a deal. I personally like having different lights for different things. Being a filmmaker, you can never have too many magnetic lights. Each one has their own purpose and time and place, so having different shaped light is something I like to have. So although you can clearly tell the T1S is brighter, I'm a fan of the W1. Its build is just as good as the T1S and is plenty bright for most situations. I honestly wasn't expecting it to be this good for the price point. I mean, the flashlight's even IPX8 waterproof for up to 2 meters. Walking the trails and using it around the farm, there was never a time I wished it was brighter. So I personally don't think you can go wrong with this little light. So if you'd like to get one too, please use our affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm gonna go magnet my flashlights together, spin them real fast, and host a rave in my barn. See ya!